I received a chainsaw today. You can see the name on the screen. The problem is that the cap broke, and I was asked to make one. These caps aren't sold anywhere, so I had to design one myself. I've already made one, and you can see it now. It's on top. The cap is made of two parts. Hard plastic on the outside and a gasket inside made of oil and gasoline resistant material. The one on the broken one is small, while mine covers the entire surface of the cap. As you can see, the cap holds gas. The tank is currently full. I'll tweak the dimensions a bit and make a second one for the client as a spare, as he requested. This is what the 3D model of the lid I designed looks like. I made it thicker to increase strength and prevent it from falling apart. I also made a more convenient handle for screwing and unscrewing the lid. Unscrewing the old lid was very awkward. And here's what the gasket for the lid looks like, which fits into the hole in the lid. I'm making a second lid now, and it's ready to be delivered to the client.